All right, this one is gonna crack you up. I am with Tara and Eric, and Tara and Eric came by and said, hey, can you do me a favor and can you take our picture next to your truck? Because who lives next to Tommy Mello? Tim. Your brother?
My brother.
His brother lives next to Tommy Mello. Can I get an A1 from day one from you guys? Eva and Jason are here. Eva and Jason, you guys had a new door installed, right?
Yes.
How did it go? Tell me about your experience.
Very nice experience. The gentleman came out by himself. Somebody was sick, so he did the whole job by himself. Did it great, insulated the door, everything was great. And a year and a half later, one of the springs broke, they came back out and fixed it.
Awesome. A1 from day one.